depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I have a challenge lock. It's a yield. This is the bidding focus. There you go. That is the bidding on the key, and this is by XP Modes, number 4. Number 4 key. You know what? I don't know if I know XP Modes, but I sure appreciate being able to pick one of his locks. Please touch base with me. I'll send you one of my challenge locks too. All right, let's see what's going to take to get into this. I need just to move it. I hate this vise. This is probably going to the last time you're going to see this in there. I might put the swivel back on, but it just doesn't stay tight enough for me. Okay, I'm going to be using top of the keyway. I'm going to use a 0.8 millimeter tension wrench, and I'm trying out my new Peterson pick. Let's see what we could do. It's a little loose in there, but the other ones are a little bit too tight. All right, every time I hold it with one finger, I can't do that. I'm going to move it closer for you guys, and that's better for me. I can grab my fingers around it. Okay, here we go. We'll click at a 1. That was 2. That was 3. 4 is binding. There's 4. Nothing on 5. And 6. Got a little movement on that one. Back to the beginning. Try to go off this ledge, but keep falling off. Yeah, just stay at the bottom here. 1, nothing on 1. Come on. Do a little click out of 2. A teeny bit of movement there. Here's 3's binding hard. There you go. That's 3. Touch at a 4. Nothing's on 5. I think I might have overset that. I'm going to bring it back a little. Yeah. Okay. 5. Feels like it wants to bind. I'm passing on it. Go to 6. Okay. Beginning. That was 1. Teeny movement. 2 is binding now. Gotcha. Add a little bit more movement. Nothing on 3. 4, I got to click out of. Nothing on 5. And 6, got a little bit there. Back beginning 1, binding. Got a click and a little movement there. 2 is nothing soft. 3 is binding. Okay. Movement. 4. Nothing on 4. 5. Gotcha, baby. And 6. Come on. There you go. 1 feels good. 2 feels good. 3, got a little click at it. It's got more to it. Okay. 5, I got a teeny click out of that. 6, got a little click out of that. 1, got a click out of 1 and a little moving, sort of a falset going. Got the on 2. 3, I got a click out of. The on 4, 5. There you go. And 6 is binding. There you go. All right. Nothing on 1. Two feels good. 1. Come on now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn dog. Come on. I don't know. I might overset something. I don't feel nothing. Either that or I gotta go a little higher here. I'm gonna grab another pick real quick. One with a little bit more reach on it. Go in the back here. 6 is good. 5 is binding. There it is. All right. Oh! I thought I had it. Now I got you. Whoa! Wow. It really hurt my fingers. I had a dent in that. Oh. All right. All right. I don't need my picks no more. Let's get this out of the way. Desk is starting to get cluttered up again. All right. I am open. Put this on the floor. And I need a clip remover. Okay. And I need to shim. Come on. There you go. Okay, oops. Okay. Follower. No problems. No problems. Okay. I'm going to put this here for a second. Here. I don't need to shim. All right. Let's see what we got here. Number 1. Nice serrated pin. Number 2. Another serrated pin. Double serrated. 3. We got really nice serrations in that. I will definitely show you the pins in 1 second. Very nice pin. It's kind of like a torpedo. There you go. And the last one. Really, really nice pins. Zoom. 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 All right, manually do it. Looks like undercutting. Number 1. It's got a little bit of undercut to it. Number 2. Looks like someone tried, but we didn't come up with a lot of undercutting on that. Number 3. Nothing on... let's start from the beginning again, okay? We definitely have threads in 1. A little bit undercutting. Threads in 2, 3, 4. All right, they're all threaded. Okay. Okay, they're maybe just threaded. Maybe no undercutting. Wouldn't sure felt like it though. Maybe it's just catching on the threads. Let's see what you guys think. Can you see it? Definitely threads. If it's undercut, it's just barely undercut, but it's nice, very nice. Okay, let's see what we got on the top. Number 1. Very nice. Very, very nice. And I'll take it out as they come out. Damn. Stubborn, eh? Okay, spring's a little tweaked, but that's okay. Let's see if I can straighten it. No big deal. Number 2. Very, very nice. Oh, again, same thing with the spring. So it looks like they just try to stretch them. Number 3. Very nice looking pins. Yeah, these springs are in there. One second, sorry about that. This one's really playing hard to get. In a minute, I'm gonna leave it. All right, there it goes. All the springs are kind of messed up. I don't know why, but it's not affecting the lock at all. And this is a really nice T-pin. That is the first straight spring. I'm going to go from the other side. Okay, very nice spool. And another clean spring, nice. And the last one, very nice. Really like these pins. Did I do that right? Yeah, I took that one out. Okay. I don't think there's any mods to the core. Does look stock. Let's take a peek. Yeah, it's all stock in there. Yeah, I don't see anything in there. Okay. Put the slide up. Let me give you a close-up of what we got going here. 1 second. I'm sure gotta come up with a better way of taking and mounting this camera, but it works. It just takes a minute to undo it. All right, we get the key. Okay, let's take a look at the pins. Number 1, you got a nice serration in the top. Got a double serration in the second one. The third one is a double serrated, and it's tapered down. And it's got a sharp little serration towards the bottom of it. Number 4 is, what do you call it? It's almost shaped like a torpedo, but it's got a serration on the top. The 5th one is a T-top. And the next one is a double serrated top pins. We got a really nice, looks like got some micro serrations in there. Very nice work. I like that. This is unusual, this pin here. It's all serrated. It's not a pin and pin, is it? One second, please. Don't shut off. Don't. Oh, I almost shut it off. Nowhere to hold it now. This looks like a pin and pin. It is a pin and pin. Look at that. Very nice. I hope I didn't miss any other ones. I'll double check it in a minute. The third one, we got like a Christmas tree, a T-top on it. Then we have the 4th one there is a T-top. Nice serrated pin in that one and a spool at the end. Let me just look carefully here. Make sure we got no other ones. No. Beautiful work. Beautiful work. All the springs are the same. Actually, almost all the same. Almost all bent, but they're not affecting the lock. The lock works beautiful. I hope you like what I showed you. That's what I did. That's what I do. I pick locks. I love challenge locks. Anyway, hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend. And don't put your pics in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. I am gone. gone to the beach. I'll see you later. Surf's up.